Lesson number 7. Reading passage 3. Jellyfish, a remarkable marine life form. This is the continuation of the reading passage 3rd. So, for today, we are going to analyze and make out the 4-option multiple choice. We will analyze 4 questions and 4 paragraphs in order. It will start from first paragraph till the end. So here it is. We do have questions from 33 till 36. And we do have here task information about 4-option multiple choice. Let me clarify and explain you what is that. What is the 4-option multiple choice? Actually, these tasks require a detailed understanding of one longer section of the passage. The questions usually refer to a longer section of the passage, often a whole paragraph. But here it is just the half of the paragraph. Occasionally, the final question will refer to the whole passage or the last paragraph, as here it is. You have to read questions or incomplete sentences which help you locate the relevant part of the passage. Actually, it's very easily, guys, if you will start with the first paragraph as it has always actually underlined for you and marked for you. So it is starting from fourth paragraph. It's very easy to find out your correct location. You need to choose the correct option, A, B, C, or D, to answer the question or complete the sentences so that it means the same as the passage. So let's get started, guys. So here it is, action plan for 4-option multiple choice. You need to read the first question and the 4 options as well to make you sense. Then you need to find the relevant part of the passage and read it in detail. This may mean reading a whole paragraph carefully, but here it is, you don't need. It is very evident. Mention fourth paragraph, then fifth, then sixth, and then the last. Consider all 4 options and choose the one you believe to be correct. You need to follow the same plan for the rest of the question. First tip is multiple choice questions follow the order of information in the text. The next tip is the questions and the passage may use different language. Look out for synonyms and paraphrases. Then there may be distractions in the passage which makes an incorrect option seem possible. Be careful with that. And the last one is, if the multiple choice questions are the first task for the passage, not like this, read the whole passage through before you follow this plan so that you have a general idea of the content and structure of the text. So, first statement with first question. What is the writer doing in the first paragraph? Doing. Here it is, hinted words. A, comparing several different types of jellyfish. Why I'm going to read all the 4 options because I'm going to give you an information about all of them. Then after that, I will give you the final one, which is the correct option. And I'm going to explain you and clarify the distractions as well. B option, dismissing some common ideas about jellyfish. C option, contrasting various allegories about jellyfish. D option, rejecting some scientific findings regarding jellyfish. So, you need to focus on the whole of the first paragraph, not just some of the content. What is the writer's purpose or intention in writing this paragraph? Let's go to the fourth paragraph. Here it is, first one, then second, then third, and the fourth one is here it is. So let me read for you. It is still widely assumed that jellyfish are among the simplest life forms as they have no brain or central nervous system. We now know they possess senses that allow them to see, feel, and interact with their environment in these subtle ways. Then, furthermore, far from floating in the water as they are, jellyfish, sometimes thought to do, analysis has shown jellyfish to be the most economical swimmers in the animal kingdom. So, in the fourth paragraph, the writer dismisses three common myths about jellyfish. They do have sense and are complex, like feel and sense, passes sense that allow them to see, feel, and interact. Then they can sleep. Yes, it is. Like what that humans do at night. Something once widely believed to be impossible for jellyfish. Because upside down jellyfish shows that they shut down their bodies and rest. And they are good swimmers. Yes, that's correct. Most economical swimmers. So therefore, B is correct option. How is that? Dismissing some common ideas about jellyfish. Actually, guys, A is wrong because only one type of jellyfish is named. Yes, that it is. Just one. Then is named, and the other one is C is wrong because theories are not being contrasted. In fact, the theories mentioned about jellyfish are all similar in that they were false. D is wrong because the myths about jellyfish have been corrected because of scientific research. So actually, to not follow me right now, my speech and my material, you can upload all these materials and my audio podcast, then it will be very easily to write your draft and to make you understand the process, how it's going on. Let's go to 34th paragraph, 34th sentence with the question. And here it is, what does the writer conclude in the fifth paragraph? So actually the question asks about the writer's conclusion. But you will need to read the whole paragraph in order to fully understand the conclusion of the sentence, as always. So let's go to our options. First one, and this is the correct option, jellyfish have advantages and disadvantages for humans. B option, humans have had a serious negative impact on jellyfish. C option, jellyfish will cause problems for humans in the future. And D option, humans and jellyfish are fundamentally similar. So, actually, we need to go to the fifth paragraph because we have already completed with the fourth one. So, jellyfish, though, are not harmless. Their sting can cause a serious allergic reaction in some people, and large outbreaks of them, known as blooms, can damage tourist business, break fishing nets, overwhelm fish farms, and block industrial cooling pipes. So jellyfish are a source of medical collagen used in surgery and wound dressings. In addition, a particular protein taken from jellyfish has been used in over 30,000 scientific studies of serious diseases such as Alzheimer's. Our relationship with jellyfish is complex as there are a range of conflicting factors to consider. So the writer lists and count several ways jellyfish cause harm to humans. Their sting, blooms, breaking fishing nets, overwhelming fishing farms, and many. The writer then outlines that the way jellyfish help humans as a source of collagen by providing a useful protein and etc. Then the writer concludes in the final sentence that there are conflicting factors in the relationship between humans and jellyfish, some positive and some negative, it means. Therefore, A is the correct answer. But may I tell you and clarify to you all the options with distractions? So, B is wrong because in this paragraph the negative impact is the other way around. Jellyfish harm humans. C is wrong because these problems are in the present. Is that right? Yes. Not in the future. D is wrong as no similarities are listed. Let's go to the 35th. And what is the writer main point in the 6th paragraph? A option, jellyfish may once have inhabited dry land. B option, jellyfish improve the environment they live in. C option is our option. This is the correct option. Jellyfish have proved able to survive over time. And D option, jellyfish have caused other species to become endangered. Let's go to the 6th paragraph because we have already completed with the 5th one. And here it is. Jellyfish have existed more or less unchanged for at least 500 million years. So here it is, you need to identify the main point in the paragraph, not just any point in it. So then, jellyfish throughout their long history have shown themselves to be remarkably resilient. Actually, I've highlighted the first and the last sentences of this paragraph because they are very essential and very imperative. The paragraph outlines various ways that jellyfish have managed to survive despite difficult conditions, and research showing that one type of jellyfish can become younger. So in the final sentence, the writer sums up by commenting that jellyfish are resilient, able to cope up or survive in difficult conditions. So therefore, subsequently, C is the correct answer. But let me clarify for you some distractions. A is wrong because the writer, while the planet is mentioned, there is no reference to dry land. B is wrong because also jellyfish seem to do well in acidic water. They don't improve their environment. D is wrong as there is no reference to jellyfish harming other species, just doing better than some in difficult conditions. Let's go to 36. So here it is. The writer refers to the schizoid in order to, so here it is, quotation marks. You need to focus on this. You will need to find this location and you will understand the correct option. A option, exemplifying the great size of some jellyfish. B option is correct option, illustrate that jellyfish are biologically complex. C option, explain why certain jellyfish may become extinct. And D option suggests that scientists still misunderstand jellyfish. So the question is not asking what is a schizoid. It is asking why the writer has included this information. So this is actually not the same. This is different information. So let's go to the final paragraph. And here it is. I've already highlighted first and the last sentences. Studies of jellyfish in the class known as Schizozoa have shown a life cycle of 3 distinct phases. It is now understood that all species of jellyfish go through similarly distinct stages of life. This is further evidence of just how sophisticated and unusual these life forms are. Actually, the writer outlines the life cycle of the schizoid in this paragraph. The life cycle is biologically complex because the jellyfish goes through three quite different stages of life. The schizoid illustrates something common to all jellyfish because they all go through similar life stages. This complexity is emphasized in the final sentence, sophisticated and unusual. So, here it is. A option is wrong as the paragraph is talking about complexity, not size. So not great size. C is wrong because complexity does not imply that jellyfish are threatened. Yes. And D is wrong because scientists do now understand the three life stages of the schizoid. So, well, that's it from me, and we will see you on our next lesson with the reading passage third and the final task type of question. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more educational video lessons, materials, resources for students and teachers. Enter your email into the comment to send you interesting, updated, and fresh information, materials, and lessons.